So I just got this, I guess it could be a blanket basket or a laundry basket. I'm planning to use it for as a laundry basket, mainly because I live in a really small condo and I don't have a lot of space. Um, and I don't even have a lot of storage space like in my closet. So I wanted something pretty so that if I want to set the laundry basket out, I can. But this could also be, I might buy a couple more of these and use them as blanket baskets or to store other things in my house. Um, but it looks like, okay, we're just going to push that down to get the bottom of it um, sorted, and then sort of press out the sides here a little bit, give it that roundness that it's looking for. And there we go. Okay, let's have a look. This is really nice. The handles are, I think, maybe just a little bit thinner than the rest. Everything feels really high quality, well stitched. You can see that. Yeah, this is gonna look so cute in my room. I use a lot of colors like tans, creams, gold, beige, that sort of thing. And I really, really like this. It feels like it's going to last a long time, um, and really do the job. It's going to really elevate my space some. So I'm excited about that.